Hello ladies and gentlemen, Cheshire Auto Locksmiths here again. www.cheshireautolocksmiths.co.uk. We're doing our last job of the day today, which is a Vauxhall Zafira B. The customer has got the security pass, which is there, and we've already cut this key on the right. Nice brand new key, and that's the existing key on the left. So we're just going to go over to the car now and program the vehicle. I'll just shut my computer down, and then I can go home and get some tea myself. Okay, I've already put the tester in the vehicle. We're on a Vauxhall Zafira, which is a 2008 model diesel. Okay, it's an SRI as well, quite a sporty one this one. So we've already cut the key. There's my key, hopefully. Yep, that's great news. And we've got the customer's key there as well. Right, so let's program this in. Down to Opel, into Europe, immobiliser, Zafira B, mechanical key, and we'll switch the ignition on. Press enter. Oops, some nice music there going on. And enter. First of all, we're going to nip into fault code, see if there's anything clear showing up on there. Fault code, yes, we got one there, and we'll clear that out. And enter and back. Special functions, program keys, press enter. Insert key, switch ignition on. Security code 6409. That code doesn't matter that you guys is it a new transponder? No, we're on the original key at the moment. There we go. Do want to program more? Yes. Remove the key and pop the new key in. What this actually does is it programs the remote and also the immobiliser all at the same time. No, don't want to program anymore. Procedures complete. Press enter, and we'll just go back to the start. Okay, turn my machine off. Make sure I'm in neutral. There's a lot of children around here. Okay, we've got the ignition on. That one's not gone in. It's gone in. No, the key's not gone in.